Hello guys, good morning. Kita nyo ba ako? Nakikita nyo ba yung aking screen? Magandang morning sa inyong lahat. So, wait lang natin yung ating mga followers para maipaliwanag ko yung ating tracker. Yung ating Your VA Body Product Research Trackers. So, itong tracker na ito is very useful para sa mga, again, isa to sa mga pinaka-ayoko na trabaho sa Shopify and Amazon VA. But something that magpapagaan ng inyong mga ginagawa if you have a tracker like this. It is a consolidation ng lahat ng mga tracker na ginagamit ng Amazon and Shopify VA when it comes to product research. Okay, so ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo how this thing can be accessed. Very self-explanatory lang naman kung paano ito gagamitin. So you can see here that there are multiple tabs. Ayun, nakikita nyo ba yan? So there are multiple tabs. There's the guide. Yun yung guide. Ayan. There's the guide. So on the guide, you can see the instructions kung paano siya gagamitin. Ayan. You can see it there. Nandiyan yung guide kung paano ginagamit yung tracker. And you can see the master dashboard and different types of product research tracker. So, meron tayo, kung check nyo, we have this Amazon wholesale tracker. So, ito yung tracker niya. So, you have the ASIN, the product name, the category, the BSR, monthly sales, buy box. Ayan. So, we have the COGs, Amazon fees, then preparation and shipping, then the total landed cost, is it profitable or not, and the reason kung bakit siya non-profitable or bakit siya profitable, and other information about the suppliers. Ayan. So, makikita natin yan dyan. So, that's only for Amazon product research. We also have the retail arbitrage tracker. So just in case you're doing retail arbitrage, so you can use this retail arbitrage tracker. We also have private labels. So if you are doing private label, ito yung best tracker for the private labels. So again, nakikita nyo yung private label tracker na yan. So we also have a drop shipping product research tracker. So this is the drop shipping for Shopify. So it's not only Amazon. You also have Shopify drop shipping product research tracker. So I created this one. Tapos we have the print on demand or the POD. So if you need a tracker for your print on demand, so this is the tracker that you can use. Again, this is the Excel format. Oh, hintay, there's more. This is only the Excel format, guys. So we also have the digital product and printable research. So we also have this link. This tracker. We also have the private label or the white label for Shopify. So ito yung tracker natin. And we have that. And if your client is also doing Shopify subscriptions or subscription box research, so we also have that. Very minimal naman nung gumagamit nito. We also have the Shopify handmade tracker. So this is a Shopify handmade tracker. So just in case that your client is doing some handmades, and definitely you can use this tracker. We also have the Amazon KDP tracker. So if you have a KDP research, if you want to do your KDPs, this is already nag-auto-compute na siya. Ayan. And then we have the Amazon merch research. So you also have this just in case na makakuha kayo ng ganitong client. We also had the Amazon handmade research. So, ito rin yung kanyang format. Yan. and the Amazon drop shipping tracker. So all trackers, actually, we have the Excel format. And so ito, you can also access that to the master dashboard. And then when it comes to the terminologies, you can check the guide here kung paano siya maiintindihan. Pero there's more, okay? So if you're going to yourvabuddy.com, so punta tayo sa yourvabuddy.com ha. Ayan. So this is yourvabuddy.com. So yan, may promo kami 50% off right now. Sa website to, sa courses yan. The tool that I'm telling you right now is free. Okay, so punta kayo sa tools. Under tools, makikita ninyo tong research tool. Kita niya? Ulitin ko ha. You have to go to yourvabuddy.com. Ayan, ito. On yourvabuddy.com, go to tools. Under tools, look for research tool. Ayan, so wait lang natin siya mag-load. So now, mapupunta kayo dito sa your VA tool. So you can use it for free. Yes, wala siyang bayad. You can log in, start free. And then mag-sign in lang kayo using your Google account. So here you'll see this particular instruction or welcome banner or welcome dialog box. Yan. Tapos makikita ninyo dito yung 9 steps para lang sa maintindihan. So click nyo lang, basahin nyo lang. Just click here. Pero once you already read that, you can skip the tour naman. So para saan ba to? So this is actually the same nung pinakita ko sa inyong tracker. The only difference, it is a web base. So it's no longer an Excel, although you have an option to download a CSV file. So this is the Excel format. So for example, you want to use a certain type of calculator. So we have here a tracker for Amazon, a private label. This is going to be the tracker. And then for the wholesale, and this is for the wholesale, and this is an example, and online arbitrage, dropshipping, KDP, merch, handmade, dropshipping for Shopify, print on demand, digital products, white label, subscription box, handmade. So all of those trackers na nakita ninyo here sa Excel is already included in this software. So instead of using a manual Excel sheet like this, yan. Although dito kasi sa Excel, you can easily see it. Pero dito rin naman, if you're going to add a product, for example, private label. Umiyak yung aking anak. Ingay ko daw. So, private label. And so, private label, you want to add a product. So, add a product here. And you can put the details here. And it will automatically calculate everything. Hindi ko lang makita yan. Nakita niyo ba yan? It will automatically calculate everything based on doon sa mga katulad lang din na nakalagay dito. Ayan. So, for example, if you're going to open one of the sample here, so if you're going to click edit, you'll see something like this. So the yoga mat, ASIN, category, search volume, monthly sales, target selling price, sourcing costs, freight costs, Amazon fees, PPC per unit, and supplier name. Yan. So, hello Yuri, good morning. Bad morning. Ayan, umiyak na yung aking bunso. So, dito, kung inyong titingnan, we have the dashboard. It's showing all the consolidated products na nakita ng tracker ninyo, it will show here how many products are good, how many products or some unlisted, ilan na yung products na na-analyze. So, total of everything. Hindi lahat kasi ng na-analyze are good. So, the system will be able to identify all of those items. And also, we have a reverse sourcing calculator na kung saan you can check. It's like a reverse calculator. You just need to put here the selling price, magkano yung referral fee, then the target ROI, how much will be the preparation and the freight forwarding costs. And it will give you an answer, a very quick answer, something like this. Now, I also have here, this is under beta, the FBA calculator na ginawa namin para syempre, our own calculator, so we don't have to go to the revenue calculator ni Amazon. Although it's not yet API connected sa mismong website ni Amazon, but actually still gonna be helpful pa rin sa mga marunong gumamit ng revenue calculator. So, and if you are somehow nalilito pa rin and you're not really into using this particular tracker, there is a guide here, so you can use the guide. Ayan, so there is a guide. I put a guide here. And so you can see how things work, how things are being calculated. And so in short, yung ating tracker na ginagawa natin dito sa Excel sheet ay ito na rin yan. Yan. Diba? So, napaka-useful nito. Kasi hindi na kayo gagamit ng iba't ibang tracker, okay, to monitor your product research list. And just in case that, for example, gusto mo talaga siya i-extract sa isang Excel document, you also have the option for CSV. Yan. And if you wanna add a product, again, I meant kapag may gusto kang i-add the product, i-click mo lang itong add product, then you can do the computation here. Of course, the default will be bad. Ayan, nakita nyo bad. Ayan, default is bad kasi wala pang nakalagay ni kahit ano, wala pang computation. And if sobrang haba nitong form, nahahabaan kayo sa form, you can edit the number of items that will be included in the form. So yun sa tingin ninyo ng mga importante lang, na ito yung nagre-represent ng each tab. Ayan, di ba? May mga tab tayo. So, doon sa ating Excel sheet, you'll see different tabs. Ayan. So, kung hindi siya applicable doon sa client ninyo, yung mga tabs na ilan na ginagamit namin, ay you can actually remove them. Di ba? Di ba? And if you're, just in case that you want to have a custom tab, there is a way here, diba? To add a custom tab. Pero again, maglalagay ako ng feature that will also help the calculation. Pero I doubt na may idadagdag pa kayo kasi lahat na halos ng kailangan ninyo for tracking the products of your clients can be included na. So again, so these are the trackers. I hope sana matulungan natin yung ating mga product researcher or yung mga aspirant product researcher. You can definitely use this tracker for your clients while you're doing some practice. You can definitely use this tracker. The tracker is 100% free. Yun nga lang, pagpunta ninyo may konting advertisement. So pagpunta ninyo sa tool, meron siyang ads doon lang naman sa labas. Pagpasok ninyo sa loob, wala na siyang advertisement. So that's how this tool generate income doon lang sa mga advertisement. And again, I created this tour para hindi na iba-iba yung tracker natin, no? Isang tracker na lang tayo for all of the product research na ginagawa natin for Amazon and Shopify. And if you have any other trackers na you wanna include here, maybe in the future, pag-uusapan natin, and then I'll try to figure it out how can I code it on the system. So, yun lang muna sa atin, guys. Magandang morning at kita-kits tayo sa training center mamayang hapon para sa mga kasali sa hands-on training sa Shopify. So, this is the second week of the hands-on training. 3:00 ng hapon. Para sa mga kasali lamang, ha. Sa mga hindi kasali at not certified, please aralin po natin yung mga unang dapat aralin bago tayo sumali sa mga hands-on training. So, yun po. Maraming salamat. I hope you enjoyed this tool. Have a great one.